Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, the honorable judges, commit, and the other participant. I would like to present my research. My name about slope stability analysis using remote sensing data in the Sultan Merapi area of Lahar Regency in South Sumatra province. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tania Putri Firdaus from Geological Engineering of Sriwijaya University. Okay, this is pointer infographic. I have 6 pointer infographic. There are abstract, introduction, data and method, result and discussion, conclusion, and reference. This is a research background of my research. Alignment and the vegetation index parameter that is observed and reflected on the slope is very important for slope stability analysis. Okay, this is my abstract. Slope stability analysis is to be used in minimal slope flavor or landslide. The research methodology is using remote sensing such as multispectral Landsat TM. The result of the study can improve the accuracy of slope stability analysis, which can be used for other region in South Sumatra. This is introduction of my research. Alignment is related to stability, where slope stability is used in mitigation geological disaster as landslide. There are several factors that landslide, especially geological condition, hydrology, topography, climate, and weather change. In the analysis of stability, there are parameters related to land cover, namely the vegetation index or normalization difference vegetation index or NDVI. NDVI use an index of observed and reflected vegetation of Landsat age. Okay, in random sensing using vegetation indicate to the study, there are assumptions the background properties are constants or that normalization soil variation of slope stability. This is my base map of research area. Based on administration, the research area location between two districts are Lahar Regency and Muaraenim Regency. The time needed to get the research area using the land road is about half 1 hour capital city of Lahar Regency and 1 hour capital city of Muaraenim Regency using the car. Okay, this is my formation of Back-R Basin of the island of Sumatra and regional stratigraphy of the Sumatra Basin. In my research area, in geology regional, the research are include the South Sumatra Basin. The South Sumatra Basin is located in a Back-R Basin, which the extent northwest southeast. For the regional stratigraphy, according the Ginger and Fielding 2005, the regional stratigraphy in the South Sumatra Basin. The stratigraphy of my research area include the Fort Formation or Andesite Formation, Moraine Formation, Kasai Formation, and Air Benakat Formation. This is my data and method of my research. The method used in study consists 3 stages. There are preliminary survey, data collection, and data analysis and interpretation for slope stability. On one stage, there is the preliminary survey in the research area with condition literature review of several literature that explain to analysis of slope stability. Information can be obtained with the paper, e-journal, book, and etc. The second stage is data collection. Data collection in the research area was done by virtual using a remote sensing from of Landsat Edge and ArcGIS imagery. For analysis using remote sensing data for slope stability, there are vegetation index using Landsat Edge data with the combination of band 5, 4, and 3. For the third stage, there are data analysis and interpretation. Data processing was performed using Landsat 8. Analysis and interpretation data used the detection in 2015 until 2019, and analysis of the characteristics of each vegetation change with the band combination for 5 and 3. This is my result and discussion of my research. For the figure 5, there is the density alignment map of research area. This density analysis is used to calculate the alignment frequency per unit meter. Slope stability is related the alignment density, which is area with low density can be identified area of fairly good slope, and the high density the identification by slope fairly bad. For the high density value indicate that they are have the high permeability. High permeability result in the rock and soil that tend to have a lot of water content, making the soil unstable and can transfer stability flavor and even use landslide. Next, this is my ROS diagram of research area and slope stability map of research area. Based on the alignment orientation analysis, it shows for alignment direction for from ROS diagram, it can be seen the dominant orientation of the alignment is the northwest and southeast direction. Based on slope stability map of research area, it can affect the slope stability. Can be conclude that morphology has a northwest and southeast direction, so that is assumed that slope stability is fairly bad. Okay, next, this is my land change with NDVI and illustration of the slope stability. Based on the illustration of slope stability, we can see that this is an indication of landslide in area. The slope formation can cause mass wasting. It has high slope with a step until very step classification with highly morphology. From the land change with NDVI, based on picture, it can be seen the difference in vegetation between 2014 until 2019. In 2014, it was not found soil that had a lot of vegetation. It was suspect that because the reflection from the soil was low and the resulting vegetation. The NDVI value is high, and in 2019 it was not less vegetation soil, and it suspect that because the reflection from the soil is high and resulting vegetation. So NDVI value is low. Based on NDVI are thought to be due to development of land use, so that lack of vegetation is result in the streak of the root system in hold the soil on the slope face, and if vegetation on hydrology is very bad, it can be a disaster geologist of landslide. Okay, this is my conclusion or summary of my research. The first, based on the high density value illustration that the research area high permeability, so can trigger slope failure and even lead to landslide. Second, the line density map explain that the research area is mostly located in the fault zone. It can be seen from the high alignment density. The third, the frequency and statistic data that have been analyzed can be seen northwest and southeast direction has a higher alignment density. So the morphology is the from hill mountain with poor slope stability. And then the last, the land changing from NDVI is to be do development in 2014 until 2019, and the influence of vegetation on hydrology is very bad, and I think yes, it can be a geological disaster of as landslide. This is my research and my reference of my research. Okay, I think enough. Thanks for your attention. Good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.